Introduction to While Loops in JavaScript. Fundamental concept in programming languages allows execution of a block of code multiple times. This article focuses on the while loop in JavaScript. Understanding the while loop. A while loop continues to execute as long as the condition remains true. Stops executing when the condition evaluates to false. Example, a loop that runs as long as I is less than 5. Utilizing the while loop can be used in a variety of situations. Example, a loop that prompts a user for input until a valid response is received. Tips and tricks for using while loops. Ensure the loop will eventually terminate. Use break statements to immediately stop the loop under specific circumstances. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Forgetting to update the variables in the condition, using the wrong comparison operator in the condition. Conclusion on while loops. While loops are a powerful tool in JavaScript, understanding how they work and knowing when to use them can lead to more efficient code. Practice is key for mastering loops.